Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, I will explain about how to teach for young learners. And the contents is what is speaking and background to the teaching of speaking and the development of speaking skills and speaking strategies. Number one is what is speaking? Speaking is one of our skills language of learning to speak. We create sounds using many parts of our body, including the lungs, vocal tract, vocal cords, tongue, teeth, and lips. And number two is background to the teaching of speaking. The speaking is one of four important in English. Therefore, English teacher education students should have a good speaking skill. This is important. Johanna Futter says most students often evaluate their success in language learning as well as the effectiveness of their English course of the basis of how much they feel they have improved in their speaking proficiency. And number three is development of speaking skills. Students often think that the ability to speak a language is the product of language learning, but speaking is also a crucial part of the language learning process. Effective instructors teach students speaking strategies, using minimal response, recognizing scripts, and using language to talk about language that they can use to help themselves expand their knowledge of the language and their confidence in using it. And the last is speaking strategies. Number one, model language by saying aloud and writing the ideas and concepts you are teaching. And number two is model what a fluent reader sound like through focused read aloud. Number three, be explicit. Number four, tell students what they are learning about each day and whether they will be reading, writing, listening, or speaking. And number five is listen and repeat. For example, is the teacher say and the student listening. Like this, the teacher say, I am a student, and the student repeat it, I am a student. And number six, question and answer. The example is teacher say, is it an apple? And students answer, yes, it is, or no, it is. And number seven is conversation with his friend, use English language. And number eight is role play, like hangman, apples to apples, Pictionary, Scrabble, and Undercover. And I think enough. More or less, I apologize. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.